Welcome to our guide on how to use the DraftKings promo code in 2025. Let's dive into one of the most popular platforms for sports betting and fantasy sports. Promo codes are key for new users. They unlock fantastic bonuses and provide a head start in your gaming journey. First, head over to DraftKings and click on the Sign Up button. Fill in your details to create your account. Next, navigate to the promo code section. Don't miss this step. It's crucial for claiming your bonus. Enter your unique DraftKings promo code carefully. This ensures you receive your exclusive bonus. After entering your promo code, complete the registration process by clicking Submit. You're almost there. Once registered, check your account for the bonus. Enjoy the perks of being a new user on DraftKings. Here are some tips to maximize your bonus. Always read the terms and make smart bets. Encountering issues? Don't worry. We'll cover common problems and how to resolve them quickly. Thanks for watching. Remember, using the DraftKings promo code is your first step to a thrilling experience. Play responsibly and enjoy.